Hello everyone, myself Tushar Jha. I am currently pursuing BA LLB from GCCLC Kolkata, and I am currently a intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. Today I am going to discuss about a current legal topic, which is about Home Minister, former Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh. He has moved to High Court of Bombay for seeking a legal remedy against the summons issued against him by the ED, Enforcement Directorate. So I'm gonna give light to the whole matter. Anil Deshmukh is a former Home Minister of Maharashtra, and what ED has filed against him. ED has filed a case against him and said that while he was the Home Minister of Maharashtra, he used his power and collected money from various bars and restaurants of Mumbai by directing a cop named Sachin Waze. So this is the whole matter, and for the investigation of this matter, the ED issued summons to Anil Deshmukh sir, but he didn't attended any of the summons, didn't go for any of the summons, and he made an excuse that he is seeking a legal remedy from the courts, and he filed a petition in the Supreme Court for seeking help against any coercive action by the ED against him, but the application was rejected. Now he filed an application against the High Court for seeking he was seeking to quash all the cases which was registered against him by the ED, and his case was to be heard by a Honorable Justice Rohite Mohit Dere, but she recused from the case. Now the case will be held by another bench of the High Court. But in so far, the ED has arrested two people. One is Anil Deshmukh secretary, and another is Anil Deshmukh personal assistant. And these two people are arrested. And ED has also filed a prosecution complaint, which is equivalent to a charge sheet. To the special court in Delhi, his Anil Deshmukh secretary has also moved to High Court against the ECIR, enforcement case is information report. It is similar to FIR, which is registered by the ED for seeking for that it is a flawed ECIR, and these are not the crimes committed by him. And so this is the case, and this is the total summary of what's the matter. So thank you guys. This is Tushar Jha signing off.